Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about money in this case, right? So we are applying the exponential function. If a young married couple invests $5,000 in the mutual fund that pays 16% interest compounding annually, how much will they have in 3 years? Now, one very important concept here is compounding. Okay, compounding just means that your interest that you're getting over your invested money is also earning interest. Okay, so it's just compounding, so it keeps growing even faster. So the formula that we're going to use here is A, which is the amount that you want to get after the 3 years, equals the principal is the amount that you invested, times 1 plus the rate, which is the interest rate, and which is how many times it has been compounded, and then power n times t, so n, that's the same n, and then t is for how long you invested the money, which is 3 years in this case. So that means A is what we're looking for. All right, so what else do we know? So we know P, the principal. How much did you invest? $5,000. Okay, and then what else do we know? The rate, which is 16%, and 16% can be written as decimal. So then we can just move the decimal place twice to the left. Everybody knows that by now. Okay, watching this channel. So that gives us what, 0.16. And then what else? So n. So that means n, that means how many times the money is being compounded. Okay, your investment has been compounded. That is annually. That means n equals to 1. Keep that in mind. Okay? And then when it comes to t, so that's how long you've been you invested. So that's 3 years. So t equals to 3. All right? So this is it. Once you do this, you're almost done, right? So A equals to what? So A then is going to be equal to principal, which is $5,000 times 1 plus the rate. We just found it, which is 0.16 divided by 1. Okay, and is 1 power, and again, which is 1 times t, which is 3. And 1 times 3 we know is equal to 3, ladies and gentlemen. So if we go here now, so we have $5,000 times, so 1 plus, because 0.16 divided by 1 is the same thing, it doesn't change. So 1 plus 0.16 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 1.16. Power what? 3. So now if you have a scientific calculator, we just can plug that in there and then get the answer straight. Or if you don't, that means you can work this one out first with the power of 3 and then multiply your answer by 5,000. And that's what we're going to do here, right? So it's going to be 1.116. 1.16, right? Power 3. Okay? So that is $5,000 times 1.560896. I wrote all the numbers so that we can really get almost everything, right? All the details. So we multiply this then by $5,000. And what do we get? We end up with $7,804.48, ladies and gentlemen. So this is what we get. So that means what? That means that if this young couple invest $5,000, that pays 16% interest rate compounded annually, okay? How much would they have in 3 years? They will be getting $7,804.48. So that's not bad as an investment, okay? If, you know, this is something that you need to take, I would definitely say take it, all right? So this is real life situation, and that's why we're doing mathematics, all right? And also, ladies and gentlemen, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Prof. Kamlavi Math for Fun, okay? Thank you.